Life is unpredictable. We never know what tomorrow will bring, but one thing is for sure. We all want to protect the ones we love. That's where term life insurance comes in. Term life insurance is a simple, affordable way to make sure your family is taken care of financially if something unexpected happens to you. But let's talk about something even more powerful: adding riders to your policy. Imagine this. You have a mortgage to pay and suddenly, life throws a curveball. With mortgage protection as part of your term life insurance, your family won't have to worry about losing their home. It's like a safety net, ensuring that the roof over their heads remains secure no matter what. And here's something you might not know. Term life insurance can come with a return of premium option. This means that if you outlive the term of your policy, you get all your premiums back. It's like a savings plan that also provides peace of mind. So you're not just protecting your family, but also making a smart financial decision for your future. All right, now let's talk about the disability rider. This is an important feature you might want to consider. If you become disabled and can't work, this rider can help cover your premiums. So, it's like a safety net for those unexpected moments in life. It ensures that your policy remains in force, even when you're unable to pay due to a disability. Pretty reassuring, right? Think of it as an added layer of protection for you and your loved ones. Let's talk about critical or chronic illness riders. These riders can be added to your term life insurance policy, offering additional coverage if you are diagnosed with a serious illness. They provide financial support when you need it the most, helping you focus on recovery instead of worrying about expenses. Protect your loved ones, build your future, and secure peace of mind today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great content. Stay safe and take care.